Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jordan, and today I am going to be reacting to Stray Kids The Sound. This is their Japanese title track to their first Japanese album, and I really want to check it out. I'm actually very excited because a lot of Japanese title tracks and even their albums really slap. Sometimes I prefer it to the Korean music, so I'm excited to see what this is gonna sound like. This is my first Stray Kids comeback as like a baby stay. I don't know if I should consider myself a stay yet, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Okay. But anyways, let's get into the reaction. I have the captions on, by the way. Hervey legs. Ooh. Whoa. I'm gonna switch my sound. Hey. Where the lyrics at? The anime. Oh my gosh. Tell me how that's good. Is that Hyunjin? Hey, Han? Wow. I am. Oh my gosh, clean up. What's happening? Tornado? Oh my god. I do not do this often on my channel at all, but I think I'm gonna rewatch this video. I just feel like I need to experience this again. I really like that chorus. It's very catchy. What is happening? I really love this choreo. The subtlety of it all. The special effects are cool. I really like this move. I am. Yes. Wow. Woo! Wow, that's I wish I had captions. You know it's so pretty. Yes. Ooh. I really like the choreo here. The sound. Oh, what a great song, actually. I actually really appreciate the song. It's really good. I find it really interesting. I'm like trying to like. I find it really interesting that there are so many rappers in this group. And I know they don't have official positions, so I guess everyone does a little bit of everything. I mean, of course, people have their specialty, what they are best at and what they do most. But there's like 4 rappers in this group, maybe 5. You have Changbin, Bangchan, Felix, Hyunjin, Han. There's like 5 rappers in this group alone, and it's interesting that there's like more rap verses in this song it's specifically than there are singing verses, which is really interesting. Like I'm not used to seeing that, and it's like the rappers outweigh the vocalists and stuff. Like just it's very different dynamic, like different. But I like it. It's a good different. They have really great rappers, really strong rappers, a nice solid group of rappers. And they're all so powerful and they're all talented. They all have their own style. I feel like it would not take me a long time to distinguish their voices and their rap styles. And I also feel the same about the vocalists as well. Really pretty vocalists. I like the rock elements and the like EDM, I don't know, elements of the song. The special effects were really cool with the lightning, but that they also had other like elemental, different elements, like weather elements in their MVs. I wonder if that's important in some way to the storyline or to their lore or whatever it is that they have going on. I think they are very multi-talented. I like that I can kind of now, I don't know, I think now I can distinguish their faces. That's really nice. I feel like I'm getting closer to them. I really appreciate like the subtlety in their movements and also the power in their movements and the choreo. And that little formation they did in the beginning was really dope. I absolutely loved it. It looked really cool. and awesome, and I look forward to hearing more from them. I really do. So, thank you guys so much. So much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And I hope you come back soon to watch the rest of my reactions. Hello. It'll be a good time. And if you loved Stray Kids, go watch the rest of my Stray Kids reactions in my Stray Kids playlist. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Annyeong!